The next thing we'll look at is creating a pivot table, and then we'll use it to create a pivot chart. We've seen how to create a pivot table in the previous topic. So now what we'll do is creating and modifying pivot charts. So before we create the pivot charts, we need the table. When you go ahead and straight you click on pivot chart, the table will be created automatically. Do you get it? So for us to refresh ourselves how to create the table, we'll create the table, then we base on the table and create the chart. Right, so to do that, click on the link to open the exercise file for you. Now this is the exercise file for creating the pivot chart. So let's look at how to create the table once again. Then we use the table to create the chart. So click anywhere in the database, go to Insert, and then click on Table. The table dialog box pops up. Select the appropriate range of the data, which is already done. So click on OK. Now we have our table placed there. So now we are going to drag the fields to where we want them to be. So Mr. New will help us in choosing the fields. So now what should we place in the row column? The regions should come first. So drag the regions to the row column, the row section. Then what should we place under the value section? The order should come. We are creating the table based on his instruction. Order. Then what should be in the value? The size should be in the value. So this is his what? Table. Do you get it? This is his table. So we are going to base our chart on this table. Do you get it? So you click anywhere in the table. Then you have under Analyze. Under the Analyze, we have what? Pivot chart. So you click on the pivot chart. Then the pivot chart, the pivot chart will be what? Will open. So now you will select the type of charts you want. We have column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar, area, scatter, stock, surface, render. All these are what? Charts that we use. So what we need is we want the column. So you select the column chart, then you click on OK. Now we have our chart placed in. So this is how we create our pivot chart. We have the table. So if there is a change in the table, it will reflect in the chart. So let's say, for instance, let's see whether it will work that way. We have the table. We want to change the arrangement. So now I want the quantity should come to the value section. So when you look at the table, you see that the table also what? Has changed. I don't want the order should be there. So I'll take the order from there. So now I have what? The size and then the quantity. Then we have the total. So we have the table, the chart also what? Being displayed in that form.